Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of home page. On the application of iQIYI app, you will go to settings. Here in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above, you will search about iQIYI app and you can click. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop, then you will click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. If it's not working with you, then you can go to Play Store. You will search about the application of iQIYI and here you can update your app as you see. So please don't forget to support